If you have ever seen websites and awards with instant 3D designs and thought I could never do that, this video is for you. 3D is not just for big agencies anymore. It's the new standard for web design, and you can do it too. Today, I will show you how to build this entire new section in just 10 minutes using Spline, Elementor Page Builder, and Xpro Elementor add-ons. Head over to Spline. I will drop a link below. Here, create a free account. It only takes 2 minutes. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard. Now, since we are complete beginners and can't create a 3D model from scratch yet, we are going to use a ready-made design and make a few changes. From the left side, click on the Community tab. Here, you can browse tons of free designs or search for a specific one. I am choosing this model. Let's preview it. Now, to see it in action, just click on it. See how it moves with the mouse, the head tilts, the hand follows, and the metallic reflections glow as you move around. Pretty cool, right? To use it, just hit the Remix button. That creates a duplicate you can edit. Now the design opens in the Spline editor. On the left, you got your layers. On the right, you got all the controls. And with these little orbit dots, you can rotate and view the model from every angle. I don't want this logo, so I will just click on it, make sure the layer is active, and hit the delete button. Done. That's all the editing we need to do.
Now, let's get it ready to embed. From here, click Export under Viewer Settings. Go to Mouse Events and select Global Full Window. This makes it automatically scale to fit any screen, so you don't have to mess with the height and width later. Next, go into the Play Settings and check Hide Background Color. That removes the background, so your design blends right into your site. After making these changes, be sure to click Update. Once it's done, copy the embed code, and that's it. Now, head over to your WordPress site with Elementor. Let me give you a quick tour of the full design. Here is another 3D model I have added. Notice how it waves and interacts with the cursor. It's a cool way to bring your page to life. Bold interactive footer. If you want me to create a full tutorial on how to build this design step by step, just let me know in the comments below. Now let's delete the section and recreate it. Let's start with the header. I am selecting a Flexbox container with 2 columns and adjusting the width. I will drop in my widgets and customize them. Just a quick note, all the widgets I am using have detailed tutorials on our channel, so you can check those out. For now, I will give the container a temporary color so the logo stands out. And that's it, the header is set. The main container needs some padding to give the content room to breathe. Next, a hero section. Selecting another Flexbox container with column direction, content width to full, height to 100 VH, and removing all the margins and padding. I want this hero to overlap the header, so I will clear the header's background and give the hero container a negative top margin. Perfect, the 2 sections align seamlessly. Now, let's add a heading widget. It needs a little padding, so I will use the navigator. It's the easiest way to select containers. Now let's add spacing from the top. Done. The navigator is a lifesaver for managing your elements. Now let's quickly customize the heading widget. Styling an element with Xpro add-ons is so easy. It's just one click to get the look you want. Now time for the star of the show, the 3D model. I will drop in the Elementor HTML widget and now paste the embed code. And there it is, fully interactive, following the cursor exactly like it should. Let's fine-tune the placement. Go to the Widgets Advanced tab, remove the margins and padding, scroll to Position and select Absolute. This lets us place the robot anywhere. Then set the Z-index to 2 to make sure the robot appears in front of the heading. Oh, and a quick heads up about the Spline watermark. You need a pro plan to remove it, but honestly, the free version is still incredibly powerful. I will change the width to our custom width and set it. Let's see, the position needs a bit of adjustment. I want the heading to be a bit higher, so I will adjust its container. Much better. Now, let's add the rest of my content. I will open the navigator and select the hero container. Now I need heading and text widgets, and I want them to be side by side. So I will add another Flexbox container inside, set its direction to row, and drop in the widgets. Now let's drop the heading widget and customize it. For the heading, I will set a custom width of 50%, so the text editor can take up the other 50%. I will also set the align self to start. Now, time for the text editor. Customizing it and self-align, setting it to end, so the heading is at the start and this editor at the end. There is enough reading room, so I will select the container holding these two widgets and add some padding. Perfect. Now, we are only left with the button. I can't drop it in this container because it has a row direction, and I want the button below the text. So, I will select the main hero container and drop the button here. Just a few quick style adjustments on the button. And that's it. Finally, let's add a video background to the main hero container. I will paste a link in the description box below so you can use it too. And that's it. We've got a polished 3D hero section, fully interactive, built with Elementor, Xpro add-ons and Spline. All right, you just learned the core techniques. Now, let me show you what else you can do with it. Check this out. A simple product showcase becomes an immersive experience. The AirPods lid opens, and the buds slightly pop out on scroll and reverse when scrolling back. Imagine using this for a client's product. Or you can add engagement to a simple footer. This isn't a pre-recorded video. It's a live 3D screen. You can move the hand, the face follows your cursor, and you can actually play basketball, scores a basket, and if the ball goes out, reset it. This is how you can keep people on your site longer. Now, let's talk about the one mistake almost everyone makes. They forget about mobile responsiveness. And since most of your traffic is mobile, this will ruin your user's experience. Here is how you can fix it in just a few tricks. In your Elementor editor, switch to mobile view and here, adjust the margins and paddings of your hero container. Resize widgets where needed. Remember, you can only adjust options that have this little device icon right next to them. Position your 3D robot properly and set custom widths and percentages so it scales well. Make these changes for the rest until it seems just right. Once you do these quick adjustments, you will have a clean, mobile-friendly design in no time. And that's it. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.